In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account. Whether you're an artist, writer, or creator of any kind, Gumroad is a powerful platform to share and sell your work. Setting up an account is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're all set to dive into this amazing platform. First, let's head over to the Gumroad website. Open your web browser and type in gumroad.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Gumroad's clean and simple homepage. Here you'll find a prominent button that says Start Selling. Click on it. This button is your gateway to beginning your journey with Gumroad, and clicking it brings up a new page to help you get started. Now, you'll see the option to sign up in several ways, but for the ease of integration and seamless access across various devices, we recommend using your Google account. Click on the Sign In with Google button. This will take you to a familiar sign-in page, prompting you to select or enter your Google account credentials. Once you arrive at the selection page, choose the Google account you'd like to associate with Gumroad. This step is important because it connects your Gumroad account to a trusted source, ensuring security and easy access. After selecting your preferred Google account, you'll then need to click the Continue button. This step authorizes your login and connects Gumroad to your Google profile. It's a simple but vital step in keeping your accounts linked and ensuring smooth operation across platforms. Next, Gumroad requires an additional authentication step. Go to your email inbox, look for an email from Gumroad, and find the authentication token. This two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you have that token, return to Gumroad and paste it into the required field. With your token in place, click Login to complete the sign-in process. You're almost finished. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. Here you can follow the simple getting started instructions provided by Gumroad. These guidelines will help you navigate through setting up your products, customizing your storefront, and learning how to effectively manage your sales. In just these few steps, you now have your Gumroad account up and running. Explore the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the tools, and start setting up your storefront. With everything set, you're ready to share your creative projects with the world. Remember, if you ever feel stuck or need help, Gumroad's support and community are there to help you every step of the way. Enjoy your journey on Gumroad, and happy selling!